Hello everyone! So this is my Giant Food Store haul. So if there is a Giant Food Store in your area, there is amazing deal when it comes to Dove personal product. So the Dove bar soap, Dove deodorant, Dove body wash for men and women, Dove shampoo and conditioner are part of the promotion. It's a $5 off when you spend 15, so you can maximize the deal. You can do 6 times if you want in one transaction. So the $5 off will come off before the coupon. So it's a great deal. And so sorry for my voice because I have a sore throat, but I just want to share to you guys the deal of Dove in the Giant Food Store. It's a grocery store. So the coupon that I use this $2.50 off in Dove dry spray or aluminum deodorant spray. And then there is $2 also to Dove Advanced Care. So I use this to the Dove stick. And then this $2.50 I use it to the Dove dry spray. And then I use this to buy one get one free coupon from Save Insert for the Dove Men body wash and for the Dove Women body wash. So it apply in any sense in the grocery store. And for the Dove Men deodorant, this is the antiperspirant. I use this $2 Dove Men Plus Care Dry Spray coupon from Save also. And I forgot to screenshot the coupon that I use for the bar soap. So I use $1.50 printable coupon from Dove email list. So I'm able to use 2 of it. So in my first transaction, I'm able to use also my points that I accumulate within a month. So I'm able to use $14 that is equivalent to 1,400 points within the whole month that we shop in grocery store. So let's start with my first transaction. So thank you so much to the cashier of Giant. He is very nice. He allowed me to do multiple transactions and I couponed it at night. That's why there is only a few customer. So in the deal, it's $5 off when you spend 15. So the Dove bar soap is priced for $7.99. So I pick one pink. And then the other one is cucumber. And then the Dove Men Plus Care body wash. This is priced for $6.99. So I bought 2 Dove body wash for men. And then the Dove Women's body wash. This is priced for $6.99 also. So I got 2 cucumber and green tea. And then the Dove Advanced Care Dry Spray. This is priced for $7.49. So I got one. This is Beauty Finish. And then the other one, this is Dry Spray with Cool Essentials. So I got 2 because the coupon is limit of 2. And then the Dove Advance. This is the stick. This is priced for $6.29. So I pick one Cool Essentials and one Beauty Finish. And then the Dove Men Plus Care Antiperspirant Deodorant. This is priced for $6.29 also. So in the first transaction, I got 2 Dove Antiperspirant Deodorant for women, 1 for men, 2 dry spray, 2 body wash for men, and 2 body wash for women, and 2 Dove bar soap. And this is my note. And this is the coupon that I use. 2 buy 1 get 1 free. 2 for dry spray, and then 2 for stick, and then 1 for men. This is my note in my first transaction. So the 2 Dove bar soap are $15.98. The 2 Dove women body wash are $13.98. The 2 Dove men body wash are $13.98. The 2 Dove women advanced deodorant stick are $12.58. And then the Dove men deodorant stick is $6.29. The 2 Dove Woman Dry Spray are $14.98. So my subtotal is $77.79. So the promotion is 5 of 15. It means it will deduct 5 times the $5 because my subtotal is above 75. So the 5 of 55 Dove discount came off 5 times, so it deduct $25. And then I used two $1.50 any Dove printable coupon from Dove email list, so total are $3. 2 Dove body wash buy one get one free. So it deducts $6.99 each, so the two are $13.98. And then I used 2 Dove advanced deodorant manufacturing coupon from October 16 save, so it deduct $4. And then 1 Dove men's deodorant manufacturing coupon, so it's $2. 2 $2.50 Dove dry spray manufacturing coupon from Save, so total are 5. So my subtotal now are $24.81. And then I use my points. So my total points is equivalent to $14. So I paid $10.81 after using my grocery dollar discount points. So $10.81 for 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 items. So that's amazing deal. And this is my receipt in my first transaction. So here, this is the amount of the items. And then here, all the coupons applied. And then my grocery dollar discount, $14. And then the $5 off Dove discount came off 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have tax of $1.49. So including the tax, I only paid $12.30 for all the Dove that I got. I saved $75.18. So that's a great deal in Dove. So in the second transaction, same thing to the coupons that I use. I used 2 Dove buy one get one free from Save Insert. And then I use also this Dove for men. Then I use 2 of this Dove for women. So in the second transaction, I got 2 Dove Deep Moisture for women. And then 2 Dove Men Plus Care Extra Fresh Body Wash. So they are priced for $6.99. And then I got 2 Dove Advanced Deodorant for women. This is priced for $6.29. Also, the Dove Men Plus Care Extra Fresh Antiperspirant. This is $6.29. So I got 4 body wash and 3 deodorant in total. And this is my note in my second transaction. So it's $5 off when you spend $15. So the 2 Dove Women Body Wash are $13.98. The 2 Dove Men Body Wash are $13.98. The 2 Dove Women Advanced Deodorant Stick are $12.58. And then the Dove Men Deodorant is $6.29. My subtotal are $46.83. So the $5.15 Dove discount came off 3 times because my subtotal here is $46.83. The discount will come out before any coupons or any grocery dollar coupon. So I deduct $15 in total. And then I use 2 Dove body wash buy one get one free. So it deduct $6.99 each. So the total are $13.98. And then I use $2 Dove Advanced Deodorant Manufacturing coupon from Save. So total are $4. And then $1 $2 Dove Men Deodorant Manufacturing coupon from Save Insert. So it's $2. So I paid $11.85 for 2, 4, 6, 7 items. So it's much better deal than in Walgreens because I got my deodorant also. So this is my receipt in my second transaction. So everything went smoothly. And here, the $5 off Dove came off 3 times. So, 1, 2, 3. And then my Dove manufacturing coupon came off also. $3 and $2 $6.99. There is $1.55 tax. That's why I paid $13.40. And I save $40.78. So in the third transaction, same thing to the second transaction. I pick 2 Dove body wash. So I picked the rejuvenating pomegranate and hibiscus. And then I picked 2 Skin Defense body wash. So they are $6.99 also. And then the Dove, I picked one of the, this is Rejuvenate. And then the other one is Apple and White Tea. And then I picked the Clean Comfort for men. So same to the coupon that I use this $2. I use the 2 buy 1 get 1 for the Dove. And then I use this for the Dove Women's Deodorant. And this is my transaction. So it's the same in the second transaction. I paid $11.85. So the 5 of 15 came out 3 times again, and all the coupons applied. And my receipt. So here, 5 of 15 3 times came off, and all the coupons applied. Here I paid $13.40 including the tax. I saved $40.78. And then in the last transaction, instead of grabbing Dove Men body wash, I picked all Dove body wash for women, and the coupon did not pip. There's no problem in the coupon. This is the coupon that I use, so it's working in the same scent. So I picked 2 pomegranate and then 2 mango and almond butter body wash for women. And for the deodorant, I picked this Restore deodorant for women, and then 1 Clean and Comfort. So this is the coupon that I use. So in my fourth transaction, so it's 5 off when you spend 15. So the 4 Dove Women body wash are $27.96. It's priced for $6.99. The 2 Dove Women deodorant are $12.58. And then the Dove Men deodorant is $6.29. My soft total are $46.83. The 5 of 15 Dove deodorant came off 3 times because my total here is $46.83. And then the 2 Dove body wash, buy 1 get 1 free, deduct $6.99 each, so the 2 are $13.98. I used $2 Dove advanced deodorant manufacturing coupon from October 16 Save Insert, so total are $4. And then $2 Dove Men deodorant from Save Insert. I paid $11.85. And then there is tax. So in the receipt, this is my receipt on that. So all the coupons applied, including the discount for Dove. There is $1.55 tax again, so I paid $13.40. Here I save $41.18. So in my note, I paid $46.36, and then there is 2,000 points in Fetch when you spend 15 in Dove Men's body wash. So I got 4,827 points in Fetch. That is equivalent to $4.82. And it's a limit of 5. So making it $41.54 for 32 Dove, or $1.29 each. So my total savings are $197.92. So it's a great deal. So I might come back once I get feel better, because the deal is until Thursday. It's going on for 2 weeks already in Giant. So thank you so much guys for watching, and have a blessed day everyone.